farmers' protest that is underway in the national capital. Very shortly bringing you pictures that are on your screens. Remember, these are live pictures coming in from Karnal, where farmers have broken the barricades to cross to this side. It was a big clash between the police and farmers at the Haryana border, and the farmers broke those barricades to bring in the tractors to conduct the tractor rally. I want to cut across to my colleague Anuj, who's picking up all the details. He's live at this spot. Anuj, what's happening there?
Well, these are the farmers. Let me ask my video journalist to give you the sense first. These are the farmers from Ghazipur. They all were agitating at the Ghazipur point, and they have crossed the barricades. There were around 3 barricades. They crossed the barricades, and the police were trying to control the situation. But on both the sides of the road, you can clearly see they crossed Akshardham after that. And after crossing Akshardham, this is Indrapat on my left. And now they are moving towards Lal Killa. So you can clearly see whenever the traffic is there, they are taking the other way. The tractor has been crossed from the barricades. I'll ask a video journalist to give you a sense how they are crossing these dividers and coming on the other road. Both the way are being taken by the farmers. You can clearly see the condition. The barricades has been broken, and these are the farmers who are now heading towards Lal Killa as they are saying we have to see whether they will be stopped or rather can be stopped ahead. But yes, you can clearly see the visual coming in from the national capital. Let me tell you, they were given some specific route. At Ghazipur. They were told that they have to take a right turn from Ghazipur and from there to Dasna, Lal Killa, and have to come back to the designated place where they were doing their protest. But at this point in time, you can clearly see what's happening on the street of the national capital. All the barricades has been broken by the farmers. The tractor rally is en route towards Lal Killa as per the farmer as of till now. So this exactly is the situation what we are seeing. The barricades has been broken. Both the sides have been blocked by the farmers. The traffic is being blocked. The traffic rather being diverted. The police and the administration trying to divert the traffic from this very route. Let me also give you the sense of this route where I am standing at this point in time. If it goes straight, then that is Sarai Ka Lekha, and if it will take left, that is going to go toward the NH24, the highway from where this particular agitation and this tractor rally today started. That's Ghazipur. But now, as I'm telling you, the barricades has been again and again being crossed and being broken by these farmers, and the tractor rally is now at this point in time is en route towards Lal Killa. So we are continuously giving you a sense from both the sides of the road. This is on my right side is the way where traffic has to move. This is from where I am reporting. This is the road where traffic moves this way, but the wrong side is being taken by the tractors, by this particular rally. And if we'll go ahead, if we'll take left from few meters ahead, that is going to move towards Pragati Maidan. So that exactly is the route which has been taken by the farmers now. There was specific route which was given to them. We are seeing the same kind of visual from Singhu border and Tikri border also. But there are lakhs of tractors, lakhs of farmers who could be clearly witnessed on the street of the national capital. There we are giving you visuals again and again from the roads of national capital. There you can clearly see what exactly is being done, what is happening on the streets of the national capital. There were proper arrangement by the police, but the barricades has been broken. Now they are moving toward Lal Killa. This is to see whether the situation will be controlled. But at this point in time, in this very area of Delhi, everything is being blocked. The traffic is being blocked. The police personnel is trying to control the situation, but the barricading are no more there because they have been already broken by the tractors. Even there were buses, even there were big trucks which were deployed, which were put in there to stop these rally, to stop these farmers, but they were not stopped. They crossed it, they broke the barricades. After that, the trucks were removed, the containers were removed by the tractors, and now, as we are seeing, the numbers of farmers, the lakhs of farmers are being moving towards Lal Killa. Let me also ask my video journalist Hitesh to give you a 360 view of the area. If we'll pan around the camera, so this is from both the sides of this very road. We are giving you the visual. on my left there you can also see a board. I'll ask my media journalist to give you a sense from that very board which is giving the direction. That's on my left is Pragati Maidan, state is Rajghat, and from Rajghat you can also go toward Lal Killa. So this is to see whether they will be heading toward Lal Killa itself or they will be heading toward Parliament or they can go to Rajghat. But as per the latest what we have been told, they are trying to move toward Lal Killa. So these are the visuals here you can clearly see ahead. What we have been told, there are some kind of barricading. That's why the tractor is being taken to the other side, that's the wrong side, and the traffic is being totally blocked. When we are talking about this road, this if you talk about this road, this is the connectivity of ITO also, so near police headquarters. So that exactly is the area which has been blocked. All these area has been already blocked. NH24 is being blocked. All the traffic has been diverted. But at this point in time, the tractor rally continued. The route which was given, allocated to the farmers is been not taken by them. The barricades has been broken, and we are continuously giving you the live picture from the area, from the road where the farmers are moving at this point in time. There we saw Rakesh Tikait also who was talking to the farmers, but finally these are the visuals what we are seeing, because they have not taken the allocated route and now finally moving toward Lal Killa. Back to you.